Beat my niece to her house, and look at, she's got turkeys. Can you see them? It's so bright. Look at that. Maybe I can get to the shade and you can see them better. Look, there's two of them. See? One. Another one walking. Let's see how close I can get to them. Maybe we'll see them fly. So I told my niece she's 2 minutes out. I'm ahead of schedule, and I got lost. I don't like roundabouts. Oh, there's 3 turkeys. Look at this. Look at, isn't this cool? I'm like, let's see, 10, 20, 30 feet away. Let's just zoom in. Look at that. Oh, my hubby's gonna be like, oh, ooh, that one was showing its wings. I don't know if you call them wings on turkeys, do you? And there's my niece. Okay, I'm off to visit my niece here in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Bye! This is my niece's front porch. I love these lanterns, battery operated. She's got them all over. And this is the first year she's gotten the covers for the chairs. Love that idea. And I miss a hummingbird. One came to the feeder when I was just coming out the door and it was gone before I saw it. She's got rocking chairs, a flag, and more of the lights. So I'm coming out to my car because I leave all my shirts hanging on a hanger rack in my car. And I was like, oh, there's no critters out there. I would love to see a bunny rabbit. And there's my niece's garden, the other garden. And so I'm getting ready to walk to the car. You probably can't see it. Oh, let me just walk over here. Oh yeah, we can do that. And let's see if I can see them from here. Because I know, oh, and look at these pretty flowers. It is so gorgeous and quiet out here. I thought I lived in the country, y'all. These are truly woods. So, let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, see that? Let me find my finger. Where does it go? There it is. Okay, let's find it. Okay, yeah, my nails are a mess. So, oh, it's gonna come out, people. Okay, do you see the movement? There's a bump underneath my car. See it moving? That's a bunny rabbit. Oh, look it, there's a bunny rabbit. It's a bunny rabbit. Okay, so my daughter says if you zoom in and then you touch the screen, it will focus. So not only did I want to see a bunny rabbit, but God is so good. I like to clear this vision. I'm gonna. Oh, somebody's got turkey. What do you mean somebody's got turkeys? We've had turkeys in the yard, but I haven't heard them gobble. So just take a walk with me to the car. And what I plan to do is go around the front. So he has to go in the big open field because we want to see a better look at the bunny rabbit. And these steps are steep. I've been getting my exercise. I've been on the 3rd floor. So that's funny that I heard the turkeys gobble. I've gotten pretty close. I don't know how long this video will last because my phone's kind of full. Let's see if I can get them to go out across the field because I don't want them to go under my car or into the woods. So just keep an eye on the back end of my car. Maybe I shouldn't talk. See how close I got geese. Let's see. There he is, y'all. Look, he's right there. He's letting me get closer than the bunny rabbit at my house. Started getting a bunny rabbit before I left. Let's see how close we can get. Oh, he's a tame bunny rabbit. Well, not, like a pet kind of tame, but look at him. Isn't he cute? Hi, bunny rabbit. See, we're about 25 feet. How close do y'all think I can get? Isn't he adorable-licious? Oh, I wish I had a carrot to feed you. You'll say, oh, I'm not a typical rabbit. I don't like carrots. Look at you. You're letting me get so close. I'm like 15 feet. He's a little bunny rabbit. Hi, bunny. Oh, there he goes. Oh, wait. I'm going to see him one. Don't go around the other. Don't go to the woods. I don't want you to go to the woods. I know that's your safe place, but hi, bunny rabbit. Hi. Hello. How are you? Oh, you're just gonna go back and forth, aren't you? Ooh. Hi. Hello. I mean no harm. Just trying to make you YouTube famous. Look at you. You're so cute. Aw, look at that little face. I'm Carrie's auntie. I would just love to pet you. See, you're not a scaredy bunny rabbit. Aw. I'm so in heaven. I mean, we're in the country so much that, there's woods. And this whole area was all woods. And that was all woods, but it's stuff growing up. And I'm supposed to be getting dressed, but, you see a bunny rabbit, you gotta stop and say hi, because God put them in your path. And I said I wanted to see a bunny rabbit. So my great-nephew Nathan is into archery, and he's done a lot of traveling, and I'm getting my shoes soaked. Not a good thing, but yeah. So, long way. Oh, look at this place. Isn't it nice? And you heard the turkeys, and this is her garden of all of her other stuff she's growing. Things aren't labeled, so I can't tell you what they are. She did take me to the garden to see it, but I don't remember what things are. But yep. Oh, the bunny rabbit's still there on the edge of the woods. Alright. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting. If you're new to my channel, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to come check you out as well. I'm heading back to my brother and sister's place today. They're a little over 2 hours away. That's how far my kids live from me, so I'm going to stop filming so I can get a picture too. Be kind, be nice, be encouraging no matter where you are through the internet. We can touch lives and make a difference. We can make people smile, laugh, and give encouraging words. And remember, did you see his mouth move? It looked like he was talking, like saying what I was saying. Remember, keep the fun in all you do.